Savitri, Book 2, Canto 8, The World of Falsehood, The Mother of Evil, and the Sons of Darkness, page number 222. Watered with virtue, the world's upholstery, and careful of the outward word and act. Engrafted his Hippocrate blooms on native ill. All high things served their nether opposite. The forms of gods sustained a demon called Heaven's face became a mask and snare of hell. There in the heart of vain phenomenon, in an enormous actions written core, he saw a shape illimitable and vague, sitting on death who swallows all things born. A chill fixed face with dire and motionless eyes, her dreadful trident in her shadowy hand. Outstretched, she pierced all creatures with one fate. When nothing was save matter without soul, and a spiritless hollow was the heart of time, then life first tossed the insensible abyss, awaking the stark void to hope and grief. Her pallid beam smote the unfathomed night, in which God hid himself from his own view. In all things she sought their slumbering mystic truth, the unspoken word that inspires unconscious forms. She groped in his deeps for an invisible law, fumbled in the dim subconscious for his mind, and strove to find a way for spirit to be. But from the night another answer came. A seed was in that nether matrix cast, a dumb, unproved husk of perverted truth, a shell of an insentient infinite, a monstrous birth prepare its cosmic form. In nature's titan embryo, ignorance, then in a fatal and stupendous hour, something that sprang from the stark inconscious sleep, unwillingly begotten by the mute void, lifted its ominous head against the stars, overshadowing earth with its huge body of doom, overshadowing earth with its huge body of doom. Om Savitri, Om Savitri, Om Savitri.